And pumpkin was a little bit slower.
So Roger Campbell then into obstacle number 4, the Ben Burgess Bridge. Roger Campbell was the 2013 Advanced Single Pony British National Champion. He was also a member of the British team at the World Ponies Championships in Po. This year he's competing in the Advanced Pony Pairs class with his ponies owned by Emma Burge, who's been taking up judging duties. Roger Campbell, the overnight leader after the dressage, on a score of 46.83. He had an advantage of 10.98 penalties over Alan Clark in second.
Yay! That's good, man.